On February 11th, 1994, I was born. Today we are doing, wow, I turned 25, and last year I did 24 things I learned in 24 years, so I thought we'd follow it up with 25, and boy, oh boy, do I got a lot to share with y'all. Look at this light. We're filming on my phone. Number 1, take accountability for your life each and every day. If you want to lead an amazing life, you have to put in the thoughts, actions, and behavior towards that life every single day. And every single day is a new start to begin living this way. Number 2, you can't control what happens to you, but you can in fact control how you react to them. If you've been counting how long you've been patient, you're not actually practicing patience. That's just waiting. There's so much joy available to you in the present, so enjoy all the fragmented moments now. Number 4, holding on to anger and resentment is like grasping a hot coal with the intention of throwing it at someone else. Only you, my friend, get burned. Number 5, you only ever act out of 2 emotions, and those are fear or love. So you choose. Number 6, watch your thoughts, they become words. Watch your words, they become actions. Watch your actions because they come into habits. And watch your habits because they turn into your character. And watch your character because it will become your destiny. The art of knowing is knowing what to ignore. Rumi said that. If you can end the day with feeling even somewhat proud of yourself, you had a good day. Number 9, there must be quite a few things that a hot bath won't cure, but I don't know many of them. Sylvia Plath. Number 10, a well-chosen book can save you from almost everything, including yourself at times. Regardless of their title or position or your own title and position, think of how you can contribute to others' lives rather than how they can simply contribute to your life. Invest in others. Everyone in this lifetime is creating art, whether they know it or not. So what will you choose to create? Number 13, your confidence within will threaten and shake those that are unstable in who they are. Number 14, so cherish and keep close those who treasure and value your light. Number 15, believe it or not, you are actually indeed your greatest mentor. You will always teach yourself the greatest lessons. Number 16, though I know your sensitivity at times may have not played in your favor, in a harsh, cold world, it takes far more strength to stay soft. Have enough courage to trust love one more time, and always one more time. Maya Angelou. Healing is not a definitive moment. Healing is and must be intentional. It is a practice. It is a habit. You must set out each and every single day actively to become better, to fight your inner demons. Number 19, there's no need to talk about it because the truth of what one says lies in what one does. Number 20, sharing food and making playlists are the ultimate love languages. 21, nothing is as catastrophic as it seems, so remember to laugh. Always laugh it off. The cure is laughter. 22, the quickest way to acquire self-confidence is to do exactly what you are afraid to do. 23, always start with the end goal in mind. Society has it that we are quick to earn money and then quick to spend it, but dumb people save and smart people invest. Society also has it that we eat poorly and then cure and treat diseases, but we should prevent. So always eat right, work out right with the end goal in mind. And that means eating for wellness rather than for superficialities or vanity. It's about eating for wellness. Number 24, you don't have to be perfect to inspire others. You can indeed inspire others simply through embracing and dealing with your own battles, insecurities, struggles, and heartache. Number 25, this quote really encompasses where I'm at in my 25th year of living as far as career and finances and friendships and relationships, and it goes, when I'm on my deathbed, I don't think I will be thinking about a nice pair of shoes I had or my beautiful house. I'm going to be thinking about an evening I spent with somebody when I was 20 or 25, where I felt that I was just absolutely connected to them. Alrighty, those were the 25 things I learned in 25 years. I try to keep it short and simple and have you do the rest, take with it what you will. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you have an amazing day. I hope you find some love and light today, and remember to laugh. Bye.